Alright guys, we had a slow air leak after a few days of sitting, so I'm going to be doing a beadlock retorque. Just some maintenance. These things have been on for at least 10,000 miles and I've done about 3 retorques on it, so this will be the 4th. And that should be it. Maybe I'll be able to pick it up. Alright, so as the last tire fills up, I wanted to go over why this thing came here in the first place. So, a while back, he drove on the water in the ocean, on the beach, and shortly after, the alternator stopped working. So we put an alternator in there. Then I found that the connection at the alternator had been modified before, so I redid it. Then he drove it home and it started draining batteries, and we couldn't figure out why it was draining the battery. So he brought it back. I did some tests. I couldn't see why it would be draining a battery, but this thing was killing batteries. I went through about 3 of them. So I was looking at the negative terminal and it was very corroded. The ocean water got onto it and it was just eating it alive. So I got some Milspec battery connectors and I redid the eyelet rings on both of them just to work with the new battery terminals. Put a new battery on, and I tested it with the multimeter, and there's no drain on the milliamp measurement. So I'm very confident that we figured it out. And then again, while it was here, I figured I'd do the beadlock retorque because it was due for it. So that is one of the reasons why I'm doing it. But the main reason was this thing killing batteries. Ever since I put the terminals on, I've been measuring the voltage before nightfall and in the morning, and it's been relatively the same. So there'll be a little bit of drain for radio memory and clock memory, which is normal, and that's pretty much in the range that it's at. So this thing's ready to go home. See you next time.